Welcome back to Product Critique, where we review the best products to make your life easier and safer. Today, we're diving into a game-changing safety tool for anyone who uses ladders, the Latch Pro. Also known as the best lockjaw ladder grip, this innovative device ensures that your ladder stays securely in place while you work, giving you peace of mind. When it comes to ladder safety, one of the most important factors is stability. The Latch Pro secures and stabilizes your ladder, preventing any unwanted movement that could lead to a dangerous fall. Whether you're cleaning gutters, painting, or working on a roof, you can trust this tool to keep your ladder steady, no matter the conditions. What makes the Latch Pro so effective is its design. It installs in seconds with just one hand, allowing you to keep 3 points of contact with your ladder at all times. This lightweight yet durable device is a breeze to set up and won't slow you down while you work. Its adjustable clamp and rotating hook make it compatible with most extension ladders, and it can be easily attached to either side of the ladder. Another standout feature is its ability to work with almost any gutter, even with gutter guards. The cushioned rubber pads gently distribute the weight, preventing any damage to your gutters while you're up there. This thoughtful design ensures that you can work safely and efficiently without worrying about harming the surface beneath you. Plus, it's incredibly versatile. Not only can it be used with ladders of varying sizes, but its lightweight nature means you can take it anywhere. The Latch Pro is a must-have for roofers, homeowners, and DIY enthusiasts alike. Especially considering it was recently awarded the People's Choice Award for Safety and Fall Protection at the International Roofing Exposition. So, whether you're a professional in the roofing industry or just someone who needs extra support when working at heights, the Latch Pro is the best tool to add to your safety kit. It's quick to install, compatible with a variety of ladders, and provides you with the stability you need to focus on the task at hand without fear of your ladder slipping. That's it for today's review. If you're looking to make your ladder work safer and more efficient, the Latch Pro is definitely worth checking out. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and as always, stay safe and keep on improving your DIY skills.